Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote trunk release, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.